Chal, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Lots of volume, lots of frizzy here, huh?
Do your magic.
Magic. So, what's the plan, ma'am?
I want to look good, but with mine gray, not too gray.
Not too great.
Not salt and pepper.
Okay.
I'm not ready for that.
Okay.
But I want to start the process.
Okay.
I want to avoid the
Whites.
touch up
Okay.
every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. It's annoying.
Okay.
Well, what do you suggest?
Okay. So, because you have already lots of gray hair now,
Huh.
if I'm not giving you a salt and pepper mode kind of more whitish color, it show very fast.
Yes. Well, we don't want that.
We don't want it's completely damage your hair also. But we have to go for little longer, means we can create some highlights, low lights and highlights,
Okay.
dark and light combinations,
Okay.
lots of ash color highlights,
Okay.
more vibrant,
Yeah.
to closer to your whitish hair but not looking white,
Yes.
ashy tones. So what we can do after some times, when the gray hairs comes up now, we can take the root touch up but not cover the gray hair,
Okay.
gray blending color.
I like it.
Next, so because the technique is gray blending hide your whiteness. It's
Okay.
give you a kind of silverish look
Yeah.
and it's very gradually blended. So
Done.
whenever you come for after 2 or 3 months, it's blended already.
Perfect.
And we can go for more ashy, but I have lots of work to protect your hair also. So lots of highlights
Okay.
and base colors should be in the natural color,
Fine.
because some hair is too white and some hair is dark and light.
Okay. Okay.
So I have to work with the perfections to create more highlights on here, on the back, little lower, little less highlights, and create some kind of ash color.
I like the word perfection. Let's do that.
So
Let's
start
start.
the magic.
Done. The color is amazing. It's better than I expected.
Thank you so much.
Bellissimo.
You like it,
bellissimo,
huh?
Bellissimo. Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Thank you so
Really,
much.
really, really nice.
Thank you. You can see it's very variations. It's completely blended. No orange, no gold,
Nothing.
nothing, and your natural
Natural hair, natural curl.
curls. And the gray you can see is
Yeah.
little translucent effect on the gray hair. It's completely blended and easy to maintain and
Amazing. Amazing.
perfect life.
Bravo, bravo, Sunny.
Thank
really,
you so
really.
much.
I waited 2 months. It's worth it.
It's worth it. You can tie your hair.